Welcome to watch my new video series Pekka and Friends. In the series, I, Pekka, will show you around here at Stalatube and you will get to know my amazing colleagues. Today we look at our production line from start to finish with Tuukka, our production director. Hello.
Hello.
I was just inspecting the material.
Be careful. One coil weighs as much as 10 electric cars.
Yes, I know. This is Tuukka. He runs the show in our factory. I bribed him with licorice to tell us more about the factory. So, are every product begin their journey as these coils?
Yes. Here comes every day 5 to 6 coils and only one per truck because every coils are so heavy. And because we have many different materials and thicknesses, so that's why we have so many coils here. Yes, this is our slitting line. We cutting in this line all of our coil, 5 to 6 coils per day. It's a simple process, just like cut household paper into toilet papers. And we can cut even 10 coils from one motor coil. Moving of that coils is the most dangerous work in our production.
Well, it's good that we have safety shoes on. You know, because if you get your toe under... Yes.
For the cutting machine, the coils are coming right here.
So this is one of our production lines. We have 8 production lines making 100 tons of different hollow steel sections every day. Every line is run by the line operators. Tuukka, can you explain the process to our audience?
Yes, of course. As you said, we have 8 tube lines and every line are different because we produce different sizes of tubes and we use a lot of different materials. We have 2 different molding methods and 3 different welding methods. This line we make first round and after welding into a square. We polish the welding seam and after that surface get brushed. Finally, tube get cut into the desired length.
We are extremely proud of our product and quality. That's why all our products are signed by the line operator in charge of making the product. With this, you can track down the product up to its origins, even where and when the raw material is made. So you can swear on this.
Yes, I can.
Pinky swear. So that's how it goes. Thank you, Tuukka. Here is your licorice. Thanks. And thank you for watching. Use our stainless steel expertise. Use our strength. Do I have something? Yes.